Hello everyone, myself Tanu Nagar from MSc first semester. My presentation topic is General Characters Outline Classification of Phylum Acanthocephala. In simple words, acantho means spines or cephala means head, means those organisms which have spines on their head. It is a phylum of parasitic worms which it uses to pierce and hold the gut wall of its host body or structure. It absorbs nutrients through body walls. 5 major layers of their body wall: epicutical layer, cuticle layer, striped layer, felt layer, radial layer. Acanthocephalans have complex life cycles involving at least 2 hosts, which include invertebrate, fishes, amphibians, birds, and mammals. Their respiratory system, no respiratory system, absorb oxygen through teguments. Digestion. Digestion in acanthocephalans in larva and adult, exchange of gases, nutrients, waste across body wall by diffusion. Excretion is present. If it is present, excretory system consists of protonephridia. Nervous system with central ganglion near suck-like proboscis, but overall greatly reduced. Reproduction. Dioecious होता है. Female larger than males. A unique circulatory system than fluid-filled lacunar canal system is present in the epidermis. Life cycle completed into 2 hosts, means it needs or consists 2 hosts to complete their life cycle. Larval stage complete in arthropods and adult stage complete in the intestine of vertebrates. Now classification of phylum Acanthocephala. Phylum Acanthocephala divided into 3 classes: Archaeoacanthocephala, Eoacanthocephala or Paleoacanthocephala. Archaeoacanthocephala, they have presence of 8 uninucleate cement glands, absence of trunk spines, proboscis receptacles with single muscle layer, protonephridia are present. Adult are parasite on birds and mammals. Example है Moniliformis, Macroacanthorhynchus. Now second class is Eoacanthocephala. Presence of single cinctial cement gland with giant nucleus. Cinctial means they have more than one nucleus. Proboscis receptacles closed with single muscle layer. There is absence of protonephridia in the class Eoacanthocephala. Ligaments persist in reproductive females. Adult parasites on fishes, some amphibians, reptiles, while the crustaceans form intermediate host. Example is Neoechinorhynchus. Now third class Paleoacanthocephala. Presence of 2 to 8 multi-uninucleate cement glands. Trunk spines may be present. Proboscis receptacle is present as closed sac and usually with two muscle layers. Absence of protonephridia. This is the largest and not most diverse group where the adult parasite is on vertebrate classes and crustaceans form intermediate host. Example of Paleoacanthocephala is Polymorphus Echinorhynchus. Thank you.